Hey, family, what's up? You are in my bedroom. Won't be staying for long, but here you go. I am doing, when you start something, you got to finish it. My 14-year-old son says he wants Easter baskets until he is about 35, 50, until I'm gone. So once you start something, you got to finish it. So anybody that needs ideas for, teenage Easter baskets, he actually has a friend who's also 14 that they met at daycare. Even though they don't get along now, I still love her to death. So I still do her Easter baskets too. So I have a 14-year-old boy, 14-year-old girl. I may come later with a 3-year-old basket. And all this stuff is always at my house. All I had to do was buy fresh candy. And I didn't buy much because neither one of them needed. So I have always cash. I'll put $5. I mean, if you balling and rolling like that, you could do a little more. But I collect these at Christmas, keep them in my drawer for special occasions, report card time, all of that. So I'm giving him $50 worth of Nintendo cards. That's all he care about in this basket, and the food. So he's here for the food. It's the Lay's stacks. And I have this basket, but it's looking like I might need to go a little bit bigger. It's not gonna work. But I have a big bag of Reese's cups. I'm gonna eat half of them. And the cross. I probably end up eating these orange jelly beans, but they're the best ones. M&M's, a pack of eggs, and fudge stripes. Then I found these on clearance at Ross. Some of the manly stuff, and you see it was $1.49, but it's some hydrating face cream for men. I also had these in I keep a stockpile of gifts. And it really worked out when he was in middle school because I get it on clearance, penny shop, all of that good stuff, 90% off shop. And I have this stuff. So when was in school, in elementary school, I used to donate to like a Starbucks store where they let kids come buy stuff and they get paper dollars to spend in the store for doing good stuff and being good in class. So I still had some of this stuff in the drawer, of course. So I just went and started pulling stuff out. And these are little lip glosses, like vitamin E hydrating lip glosses. Then I have this. It says Gingerbread Man by Philosophy. It was $2.50, but it's a man product. And I think I read it. It's some kind of moisturizing cream for the body. And then I also found this at Ross. It was about $10. But he likes... you can get them a watch if you think they'll wear it. But most people have iWatches and Apple Watches, but mine doesn't. So I bought him that. Those are men bracelets, one with a cross and one regular. So he may like that. I thought that would be cute for the basket. So that is the 14-year-old boy. And again, I just throw the money. I'll wrap the money inside of a plastic egg. But I have a blue one for him. Here it is. Blue plastic egg to put the money in. So that's his. And he claims he doesn't watch my videos, so it'll still be a surprise. I wanted to get this out in good time, just in case somebody else needed some ideas. So here's the other for the 14-year-old girl. And it's pretty much the same as far as the candy goes. You get the cross, you get the M&Ms, get the fudge stripes. Hopefully she doesn't watch my videos. I don't even think she knows I have a channel. But if she does, I hope this is for you. I have the Reese's eggs and the regular old carrots. And as far as the stuff, I have bath bombs, 2 of those. I have some clarifying mud mask with shea moisture. Caught that on a deal at Walgreens. Have face wipes, moisturizing facial wipes. I have a deep conditioning treatment for the hair. So girly stuff to kind of keep themselves up. I have more lip balms for her and a picture frame. And maybe we'll tell that story later, but I had this in my arsenal, and it'll be pretty, and she can put a picture of her or someone that means something to her. And $5 for her egg, and a nice, pretty, lovely journal in my arsenal. I had multiples of these, but it's just blank page journal for her to write in, and some markers, because she's an art student, so she loves this. And something, a little trinket for her room to hang stuff on. Some light up clips. So that is her basket. Now hers, I might be able to do the stuffing. But I'll go ahead and show you the finished product with it all pretty and decorated and sealed up. I have these bags. I forgot where I got them from, but I had a multi-pack and they're basket bags. I must have got tired of Dollar Tree running out of them. So I just bought a bulk off of Amazon, I believe. So I'll put it all up in a mesh bag. In the plastic bag, and make it look pretty. And I might have some more snacks to throw in, but we'll see as I go to, make it look full and filled. And I have her pink and green fluff, and I'll find some for my sons. But here's where we are. Let's get it started. And I'll go ahead. I might bring you back in on the pulling it together, but I'll bring you back in to see how I arrange the stuff before I wrap it. So hope you're enjoying this video thus far. Stay tuned. So here's the girl set up before wrapping. I did find this little perfume mix that I caught on clearance at Marshall's. So that's all girly girl stuff. So she has the perfume mix, the face wipes, the face mask, the hair mask, the little clips for the room, the picture frames in back. And I did take that little stock photo out and turn it over and wrote a little message on the back. But that's a private message, so I'm not going to show you that. But I did change the scenery in that picture frame. And you got your cross, the journal, the pins in the back kind of hanging up. And I did use a little tape to kind of stabilize everything in the position, so, it won't get tossed and bopped around. And I'm going to wrap it up for you. Okay, so here is the finished product of the 14-year-old girls Easter basket. You know what your kids like, what they don't like. Just kind of get their favorite candies and, something related to their hobbies and interests. And it could be as simple as a Google Play card, the cash, and their favorite candies. And, make them smile. I'll be right back with the 14-year-old boys. Okay, and here's the boys' basket. I didn't change anything. I had a hard time getting it in here. See, the M&Ms and the cookies are tucked in the back, but you can see them from behind. So I just make sure I make the cross stand out and, the Easter-y things. Now, if you like and subscribe and ring that bell for my channel, when this stuff goes 90%, I'll let you know. Like these bows were 98 cents, but I got them for 90% off, or at worst 70. So I paid 25, 30%, 30 cents for them at the most. And it's 2 bows in here. Beats the $1.25 tree. And I just kind of store this stuff away. You keep an Easter tote, you keep this, but keep a, whatever Christmas tote. And when all these holidays arise, you go through your inventory before you go out and buy some more. Everything on clearance, everything cheap, and then put together something nice for your family and your kids. So this is it. Everything made it into the basket. And I'll bring it back when I wrap it up. Okay, folks, here is the final project of the boys, 14-year-old boys' Easter basket. Yes, he is spoiled, 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 spoiled. His dad says he doesn't need an Easter basket. 14-year-old boy does not need an Easter basket. Okay, you're just jealous because you don't have one. But this is what I do. I've done it every year since he was a baby, and he says he wants it forever. So how am I to deny my only child? So, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you're doing for Easter. What are some of your traditions that you've kept in place for your kids? And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you got some great ideas. You have a wonderful, wonderful holiday, great long weekend, and thank you so much again for watching. Bye-bye.